and benching system. Sloping and benching system is design and correct. Sloping benching system correct design, supporting shield, no, and other protective system. Yan yung pag nag-hukay tayo, no, kailangan natin consider yung plus appropriate handling materials equipment, plus attention to correct installation of removal and equal protection to the employee na excavation. No? Kailangan malaman nyo yung distance ng, malaman natin ang load capacity ng excavation natin para alam natin kung ano yung mga pwede lang i-store dun sa loob ng excavation. Hindi po pwedeng may excavation ka tapos mag-i-storage ka sa taas tapos hindi ka nagkaroon ng calculation ng load, pwedeng gumuho yan. No? At yung ilalagay yung protection, dapat hindi teka-tekang protection. Dapat under, no, advised and approved by the structural engineer. Yung protection na ilalagay nyo. Kasi kung walang design yan, mangyayari yan, guguho lang yan kahit may protection kayo. Kaya kasi niyang itulak. Kayang itulak ng lupa kung gumuguho na siya yung proteksyon na nilagay natin. Kaya dapat ito ay inaral at inaprubahan, no? So, soil classification, depth cut, and operation, no? Weather and climate, change of weather and climate. Ginagawa yung inspection natin para makita natin yung excavation area natin kung may pagbabago.